Bulabinakaviti, Kadavu Rugby Union is just over a year old. We formed in 2023, and just within a year, we've seen Drua come down here to our province. It is really the step we needed and the boost the team and the Yasana of Kadavu needs to raise us out of obscurity and to raise our visibility in terms of Kadavu rugby. And sports brings us together, especially rugby, and just to see community come together here in Vunisea in such a beautiful day, and to watch them also have peer coaching between comrades. And we have quite a few guys from Kadavu as well. I think there's a sense of pride, a sense of togetherness in bringing us together, and the resilience to be able to battle the coming across the sea in the boat and being here in the classrooms, as well as what maritime life is like. I think they experienced it, and I think it brings us together. It's something that unites us, and that's the sea. We are the large ocean continent in the Pacific, and it's lived right here by the Fijian Drua with our Kadavu rugby team. In terms of being here and being in a provincial rugby, being the first woman president of a provincial union, what's important is that we get it right, and that means we need to have the Vanua's endorsement first, because we are a country and a culture that is strong and interwoven with our activities, including rugby. So we had to get it right from the Vanua. So wonderful to see the Fijian Drua follow the traditional protocol and to get it right from the Vanua, or our traditional leaders, before they then came and stayed here for the last few days. And so that's what needs to be done. When you have the blessings of the Vanua, you have mana, and you will see development move, you will see hearts come together, and you will see our culture as it is interwoven between the land and the sea here as brothers and sisters in the Pacific. We are very blessed, and we thank God for giving us what we have, and we need to continue to nourish it and keep it alive as long as we can.